Faster than traditional mechanical switches, Razer Linear Optical switch technology uses optical beam-based actuation, registering key presses at the speed of light, 15–30% shorter actuation distance than other linear switches at 1.0 mm. Ultimate personalization gaming immersion with Razer Chroma. Fully syncs with popular games, Razer hardware, Philips Hue, and gear from 30+ partners. Supports 16.8 million colors on individually backlit keys. Quality. Aluminum construction. Covered with a matte, aluminum top frame for increased structural integrity. Tournament-ready design. A Tenkeyless design with a detachable USB-C cable provides a portable form factor for on-the-go gamers. Oil-resistant Doubleshot PBT Keycaps. Made of textured, high-grade PBT for a more durable and textured finish less prone to long-term grime buildup. Fully programmable macros. Razer Hypershift allows for all keys and keypress combinations to be remapped to execute complex commands. Top reviews from the United States. My favorite gaming and typing keyboard. The best performing gaming keyboard with a feature that might make you reconsider Reds for typing. 1. If you generally don't perform great typing-wise on red switches like me, the low actuation distance and short key travel before bottoming out actually helps with typos and errors. Personally, the imperceptible actuation of reds contributes to typos, and the annoyingly long travel distance hampers one from bottoming out the key to ensure it registered, providing the much-needed peace of mind to move on to the next. Because of the short distance to bottom out these keys, I can now join the other linear lovers in both gaming and typing. It, perhaps unintentionally, allows me to enjoy the smoothness of reds with comfortable tactile feedback from bottom out. Which is only more enjoyable because of the fact the keycaps are made with PBT plastic. A more premium feel for some, but what benefit can't be disputed is that it doesn't show oily smudges from your fingers. I gave lighting 4/5 because of brightness, but it's a trade-off you make with better plastic for keycaps. It is harder to shine through. That being said, the colors look great, but the software sucks, and that's coming from someone who used Logitech's G Hub the last 3 years.